paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make a gift box today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will require an A4 size paper and an origami paper. At first, let's take our paper and start making a line. Yes, we are going to cut our A4 size paper into 21 by 21 centimeters. You can also keep your sketch pens ready. Once we are done making the line and cutting it, we are going to get a box. Now, why don't we mark 2 points at 7 centimeters and 14 centimeters? Always remember, you need to get the points at a distance of 7 centimeters. Once we are done making these points, why don't we start making our lines? Yes, we are going to make 1 standing line, 2 standing line, 3 standing line and then 4 standing line. Now all we have to do is fold on top of these standing lines. So we will fold the paper inwards. That's great. Let's do it for all the sides. Yes, we have 4 sides and why don't we do it for all our 4 sides? That's great. Now, why don't we start cutting on top of these lines? Make sure you do not cut the entire paper. All you have to do is just cut the side of one box. Now, let's do it on the opposite side as well. This looks great. You need to make sure that you go very slow while cutting. The next thing we need to do is start sticking. So, let's take the right bottom box and put some glue. And why don't we stick it with the center box? That's great. Now, let's move forward. Now, why don't we put some glue here and then stick it like this? Always remember, you have to do it from side to side and stick it exactly on top of the box. Let's stick it like this. And to make it a little more durable, why don't we stick this side on top of it as well? Yes, this is going to make our box a little thick and sturdy. Make sure you stick it well and then keep it aside. Now, let's take another box of 11.2 centimeter by 11.2 centimeter. And after that, why don't we make a nice border of 2 centimeter? Yes, on all the 4 sides. So, let's do a marking of 2 centimeters at first and then we will start with the lines. Alright, let's make these lines properly and then start folding on top of it. Yes, we are going to repeat the same step. Let's fold it exactly on top of the lines. That looks great. Once we are done with the folding, we will start with the cutting. Now always remember, you have to cut only till the border. And we will cut only in standing line. If you notice, we are cutting all the lines opposite to each other. Now it's time for us to stick. Why don't we put glue on these two boxes and then the boxes opposite to it? So we have put the glue on all the 4 boxes and now we are ready to stick. Let's get the box inwards and stick the line exactly on top of the box. And well, the lid is ready. Why don't we try it on? Well, this looks fabulous. Now, why don't we try and decorate it? For this, we will take 2 strips and put it right on top of the lid. Let's stick it properly. Yes, in a plus sign. Why don't we fold it according to the box lid now? Once we are done with that, let's secure it by sticking it inside. Oh well, you can also cut the excess part. Once we are done with this, why don't we put some glue and then fold it inwards? Something like this. And look, it looks so pretty, isn't it? Let's secure the box with the lid and here you go, the box is ready. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video.